estate planning for young families. And when I'm talking about young families, I'm talking about the generic nuclear family. You have 2 parents, a child, 2 children, you name it. But you have this nuclear family, young children below the age of 18. How do you plan for something like that? One of the things that I'm seeing parents do every day, which is a tremendous error, is to leave their children as beneficiaries on all their property. Beneficiaries on their life insurance, beneficiaries on their 401k, on their IRAs, you name it. The children are even on their bank accounts. But guess what? If a child is below the age of 18, they cannot hold any of that property. So when you place your child as a beneficiary on your life insurance policy, guess what you just did? You created a situation where they must go to court and seek guardianship over that child's estate in order to access those assets that you have placed in the child's name. In fact, I have seen in many courts where the money is not available to raise the child at all. That money that the mom left in the life insurance will not be used to raise the child. I know, that is astounding. So how exactly do you plan for your young family? You want to make sure that this family you've created actually flourishes even on your death. And for you, my friend, I would recommend something that looks like this. I'll recommend a trust package which includes your family trust, and within that family trust, that's where you're going to leave the trust for the benefit of the children. So that life insurance you created, you're going to make the family trust the beneficiary. That will you create will have the trust as the beneficiary. You will have your spouse and you serving as the initial trustee, and you guys will be the initial beneficiaries. And then if you pass away, then your children will be the beneficiaries and can even be the trustees if they are adults. When you have a young family, you want to think about your spouse. Your spouse may be young. If something should happen to you, chances are your spouse will remarry. And therefore you have to be thinking about what will happen after you pass away. Will those assets actually be there for your children to inherit? What happens if you divorce? Those are the things that young families need to be thinking about. And a comprehensive estate plan for a young family contemplates all that. Contemplates what would happen if you should both pass away. Contemplates what would happen if you divorce, and will also contemplate what will happen if one of the spouse passes away. I hope this helps. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but instead I want you to see this video as an empowering video, putting you in a place wherein you can think about your wonderful family and how you can plan a wonderful estate plan for them. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.